Here I've got MOTOROLA Razr from 2019, and let me show you how to activate TalkBack on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all apps, then find and select the settings, scroll down, locate and open accessibility, and now under screen readers you will notice TalkBack, so smoothly click on it. And if you would like to activate this feature, which will provide you with spoken feedback so you can use your device without looking at the screen, just tap on this feature. Then click on OK to activate it. Here you've got a small tutorial, so you can go through it, but I will go back. And basically all you have to do once TalkBack is on is to mark some particular icon. Let me volume it up a bit so you can hear it clearly. So you have to mark some particular icon once.
Back button. Double tap to activate, double tap and hold to long press.
Then you will be provided with feedback, and then you can double tap to select it. To switch TalkBack off, just click on it once, then select it by tapping twice, click on Use Service,
on switch,
and unswitch it by tapping twice.
TalkBack.
Tap on OK, click twice to switch it off, and that's it. So this is it. This is how you can activate this kind of screen reader in your MOTOROLA Razr. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.